This unique aircraft is both a helicopter and a plane in one hull. LV-22 Osprey operates by U.S. Air Forces. Because of its design features, its maximum fly speed is 350 miles per hour. If it might be considered as a helicopter, so it is the fastest helicopter in the world. For comparison, the maximum speed of the Russian helicopter Ka-52 Alligator is 210 miles per hour, and the speed of the U.S. Apache AH-64 is 225 miles per hour. Another interesting project of a new tiltrotor aircraft soon will go into service too. And this unusual helicopter is called S-97 Raider. It is equipped with two coaxial screws located close to each other, but it is moving forward not with their help, but with the help of the rear pusher screw. This will make this helicopter the fastest in the world.